Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix monetization disabled in YouTube Studio in 2026. So if your channel or videos suddenly lost monetization, don't worry, I'll walk you through the common fixes step by step. First, open YouTube in your browser and sign in to your account. Then click your profile picture and select YouTube Studio. Once inside, click the Earn or Monetization tab from the left menu. This is where you'll see why monetization is disabled. Now look for policy warnings. If your channel has copyright strikes or policy violations, monetization may be turned off. If you see copyright claims, either remove the video, replace the content, or dispute it if you believe it's a mistake. Make sure your channel follows YouTube community guidelines. Repeated violations can disable monetization. If your channel was removed from the YouTube Partner Program, you may need to fix the issues and then reapply. Also make sure your AdSense account is still active and properly linked to your channel. Double-check that you still meet the requirements, like 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours or shorts eligibility. And avoid reused content, spam, or low-effort videos, because that can also trigger monetization removal. If everything looks fine but monetization is still disabled, you can contact YouTube support for review. So that's how to fix monetization disabled in YouTube Studio in 2026. Most issues come from policy or eligibility problems, so fixing those usually restores monetization. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.